In today's episode, we will learn about the national fish of the Bahamas, the blue marlin. Now let's begin with the common name, blue marlin. The scientific name is Machaira nigriscens. It belongs to the class of fish. Its diet is carnivore and the lifespan is 27 years. Now let's see some characteristics of this beautiful fish. The blue marlin is one of the largest, fastest, and most easily recognizable fish in the world. Its body shimmers with sky blue and silvery white colors, and its long spear-like bill makes it stand out among thousands of other ocean creatures. Females are much larger than males. A blue marlin can reach up to 4.3 meters in length and weigh more than 900 kilos. Inside their bodies, they host countless parasites such as flukes, digenea, tapeworms, cestoda, roundworms, nematoda, thorny-headed worms, acanthocephala, copepods, copepoda, barnacles, cirripedia, and cookie-cutter sharks, Isistius brasiliensis. This parasite causes the most damage by feeding on the blood and/or body tissue of the host. Marlin is known to be infested with sharks of all ages. The blue marlin lives far offshore in the warm surface waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. These fish swim hundreds or even thousands of miles each year, following warm ocean currents. Wherever there is warm water, blue marlins can be found. They dive deep to hunt squid, their favorite prey. And to catch fish like mackerel and tuna, they charge through schools at incredible speed, stunning the prey before circling back to feast on the disoriented victims. The main natural enemies of adult blue marlins are great white sharks and short-fin mako sharks. Like other members of the marlin family, blue marlins are highly prized by sports fishermen who reel them in for the sheer power and excitement of the fight. Blue marlin grow quickly, reaching half a meter in length and 25 kilograms in weight in just 1 year. After 2 or 3 years, they reach sexual maturity and start mating. Blue marlins have a maximum age of 35 years. Let's move on to the behavior section. Blue marlins prefer to be alone, only coming together to feed or breed. They migrate from colder to warmer waters during the winter and spend their days searching for food near the surface, then diving deep at night to avoid daytime predators like sharks. Blue marlins use their long bills to stun prey and slash at potential predators. The bill of a blue marlin is an extension of its upper jaw and is supported by several elongated bones. The lower jaw contains numerous sharp teeth used for crushing prey. In addition to being deadly weapons, the bills are also sensory organs. They contain hundreds of microscopic taste receptors that allow blue marlins to sample the chemical composition of the water around them and help locate prey. The special scales on the sides of their bodies aid in detecting vibrations in the water, allowing them to hear noises made by potential prey. These noises include the splashing of bait fish at the surface and the drumming of croakers. Marlins also have excellent eyesight and can see well both above and below the surface of the water. To protect their eyes while slashing through the water at high speeds, they have developed a nictitating membrane that acts as a windshield wiper and eyelid. The blue marlin can swim at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and can jump completely out of the water while trying to escape from a predator or hook. While doing this, they can leap up to 15 meters into the air. Let's now discuss their reproduction. Like other billfishes, blue marlins reach sexual maturity between 2 to 4 years old. Males are ready to mate when weighing 35-44 kilon, while females mature at 47-61 kilon. During breeding season, which peaks in late summer and autumn, males may gather in large numbers around females during spawning. The exact mechanism of fertilization is not known, but sperm from one male fertilizes the eggs of several females simultaneously. Blue marlins are thought to produce around 7 eggs per spawning event. Eggs are released into the water to hatch on their own without any parental care. Males live up to 18 years, while females can reach 27 years. As mentioned earlier, blue marlins are highly prized by sports fishermen who reel them in for the sheer power and excitement of the fight. When hooked, they pull drag lines into the sea, jump high into the air, and thrash wildly, making them difficult to land. In some cases, catching a blue marlin takes several hours because of their immense size, strength, and endurance. Because of their longevity, blue marlins can travel vast distances across oceans, and some individuals bear scars from multiple encounters with humans. In rare cases, blue marlins can be infected with tiger shark eggs. The eggs develop in the abdominal cavity of the fish, causing fatal internal injuries. Blue marlins are very important to local people as they provide nutritious and delicious meat. In Japan, blue marlin is thinly sliced and served raw as sashimi. Now let's see the economic value of this fish. Blue marlins have long been considered the ultimate challenge for fishermen due to their powerful fighting spirit and incredible size. Marlin fishing is popular worldwide and generates millions of dollars annually. As a result, many governments enforce strict regulations on the size of the catch and the methods used to ensure sustainable populations. Anglers who catch and release blue marlins must follow strict guidelines to ensure the fish survives. In the United States, for example, anglers must use special tools that minimize injury to the fish. They must also handle the fish carefully to avoid exhaustion and stress. Despite these regulations, blue marlin populations continue to decline due to overfishing and habitat destruction. Conservation status. Every year, thousands of tons of blue marlins are caught in the Caribbean waters by Japanese and Cuban fishermen. In U.S. waters, any fishing vessels caught with blue marlins within 200 kilometers of the coast are required to release them. However, due to injuries sustained during capture, their survival rate after release is low. Overfishing for commercial purposes and accidental catches by longline fisheries are the major factors threatening blue marlin populations. Also, global warming and ocean acidification have impacted their habitats. In 2008, the World Wildlife Fund designated blue marlins as a species of special concern. In 2010, Greenpeace USA also added the species to its red list of threatened animals. Since then, recreational sport fishing enthusiasts have played a leading role in efforts to conserve blue marlin populations. Their advocacy resulted in the establishment of protected areas where fishing is prohibited or restricted. Marine biologists monitor stocks and fishing pressure to ensure that catches remain sustainable. Thanks to these efforts, the future of the blue marlin looks brighter today than it did in the past. That's all for today's episode. I hope you liked this video. If you want to learn about other sea creatures, press the bell icon to get notified for new updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.